Hi guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. So on today's tutorial I'm going to show you how you can do side zoom edit in CapCut. So if you want to make your video stand out with a smooth side zoom effect, here I'm going to show you step by step on how you can create a perfect side zoom edit in CapCut. Easy to follow for beginners and perfect for real shorts or TikTok videos. So first you can just add your clips like this to CapCut, and now you can add 2 keyframes at the start and at the end like this, and on the first keyframe you can slide the video to the right like this, and then on the second keyframe you can slide it to the left and zoom it in like so. So it will go like this. Then on between the keyframes you can click on grabs and choose flow to. So it will go like this. Don't forget to also zoom in on the second keyframes. Now if you have more clips you can just repeat the same steps. So add 2 keyframes like this, but on the next one, so before on the first keyframe you slide to the right, now on this one slide to the left, then on the second keyframe slide it to the right and zoom it in like this, and again click on the grabs in here and choose the flow to grabs. You can preview the result first like this. Okay, so if you have more clip you can just repeat the exact same steps like this. And so whether you're editing a vlog, cinematic clip, or music reel, this effect will make your video look professional and dynamic. So don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more CapCut tutorials and editing hacks. And also don't forget to click on the thanks button below. I'll catch you all in the next one. Bye!